everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a re-upload from last year's Father's Day DIY. I haven't done one this year, but this one had a copyright slapped on it just this morning. I went to work, my lunch break, checking my emails, had an email saying, sorry, but we have, you know, there's been a copyright claim, and I'm like, YouTube is killing me right now. They are literally killing me. It's days like today, I'm like, what is it for? What is it all for? I'm a small little YouTuber and they're coming for me. But anyway, I've had to re-upload it, re-edit the whole video, put new music on it, re-upload it, because the writer of the original music wanted his royalties back. Royalties. They wanted the royalties back, which meant that video was no longer mine really. So I've re-uploaded it for you guys and I hope you all enjoy it. So this is a year old, but I still love it. I still love everything in it. YouTube, sort it out please, because I'm going crazy over here. Hope you enjoy the video. Give me a big fat thumbs up and comment down below, subscribe, do all of that, and hopefully they won't decide they want this music back. And yeah, enjoy the video guys. Bye. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is a super quick video, 3 quick DIYs for Father's Day that I've made for my dad. You can make them and recreate them for any occasion. You'll just need these few simple things: some glue, PVA or Mod Podge, some varnish for the coaster, and your hot glue gun for these cufflinks. So I've made some letter cufflinks and a gorgeous frame, obviously has my face on it, and a coaster, all using Scrabble letters that I got from the range. So I do have this frame, is from IKEA. This is a standard box frame and it's 23 by 23. They have hundreds. I bought these plain cork coasters from, I think they were eBay or Amazon. I think they were about £2 or £3. I bought these, are actually silver plate, well, they said silver plated, I'm not sure if they are or not, but silver plated cufflinks. So I'm going to be using those as well. The first thing you want to do with your frame is take the board, the back board and the front card out, and you want to decide what you're going to put on here with your Scrabble letters. I am literally going to do Happy Father's Day, so I need to find all my letters that I need. You know, just so happens I prepared some earlier. Grabbed a photo of my sister and me, printed it off the computer that I had it stored on. I want to put it straight in the middle, really simple. I do want a nice background though, so I'm going to go ahead with bright copper sticky back paper, which I just happen to have in my stock. So I'm just going to cut a random square. It doesn't need to be neat guys, because I'm just going to try and cover the centre of this, and it has covered it quite nicely. So I have that copper in the middle. It's got a line here, but I'll push it out. And then I'm just going to glue the photo straight in the centre as well. So I'm going to put this one back on, and I can get the centre, and then I'll glue the photo in, and that is done. All the corners. Guys, that's it. That's the frame done. So I'm going to just whack that back into here. And hopefully, all being well, it should all come together and look pretty cool. Let's have a look. Oh, see? I like that. I think that's a gorgeous gift. And plus it's got my face on it. You're welcome, Dad. Its name begins with the letter T. I'm just going to stick 2 letter T's onto these cufflinks. See guys, how long did that take? These cufflinks were £1 or £2 from eBay, and yeah, come on, cute gift, right? And you can use that for any Anybody you know that would ever wear cufflinks? Cool, I'm in love. The third one, I am going to make my dad a coaster. He's not really a beer drinker, so I'm going to find the words. Your tea goes here, or your tea, maybe your tea, your beer. If your dad or your mum loves beer, you can say beer, but I'm going to go with tea. That is it, guys, all done. It is dried. It's quite hard actually. I was worried it would be a bit bendy, but it's rock hard. I'm gonna put a clear coat of varnish on there. This is the same varnish I used for my last video when I did my coffee table. That's 3 coats later, and that's all done. So that's 3 simple DIYs for Father's Day for my dad. Hope you've enjoyed watching, guys, and I hope you realise how quick and easy these things are to do and get making. Like and subscribe and enjoy.